Okay, so let's do this. Let's turn off any distractions. Let's close our eyes. Maybe turn up the volume on your phone or your device to clearly and fully focus in on this moment. Take a deep breath in. And slowly and gently exhale. And just release anything you're holding on to. Take another deep breath in. And exhale. Reminding yourself that at any point in the day, you can return to your breath, if even just 1 or 2 deep grounding breaths, you can reset. Your breath is the anchor to reset your mind and focus on the next good thought, the next good thing. Take another deep breath in. And exhale, relaxing your shoulders, your jaw, releasing any tension. Sitting up with purpose. You're here on purpose for a reason. Allow thoughts of gratitude to enter your heart space. Your mind is clear, your heart is open. What are you grateful for? What are the good things in your life and around you? Feeling lighter, feeling grateful, feeling tapped into the energetic level within your cells. Everything within is working in harmony for your highest good. And now bring into your mind's eye a goal, something that you are calling in to your life. And see it very vividly. How does it feel? Where are you? Visualize the details in clear, vibrant color as here and now, and see it. Who are you with? How does it feel? And just sit in this visualization and continually see it playing out in your mind, even better than you could have imagined. This is a rehearsal. You're rehearsing a new frequency. Feel the joy, the peace, the love. Now, one more time, amplify this visualization even better than you could have imagined. Turn up the color. And we need to believe it wholeheartedly, and then we will see it. Believe this, feel it. And now we can gently let this visualization fade and come back into the heart space, here and now, but keeping that energy, the emotion, the feeling, as if it is already here. Hold it. This is where our body is aligning, our brain is firing new wires, and we're broadcasting it into the field, into the universe. Take another deep breath in, feeling your feet on the ground. Your mind is open and clear. Your heart beating, your breath always there, always reliable, the anchor that can bring you back to this visualization. I feel it. I believe it. I receive it. I feel it. I believe it. I receive it. And now, let it go. Let it be done. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes, more like letting them dance. Open your eyes. Boom, boom. We're not the same person who began the meditation. We're clear. We're aligned. Our future is here. It's a choice, a decision. And I thank you for joining me today. If you had any insights, feel free to let me know.